It's the 4th day working here. Came here this morning, me and Jason ripped the forms off of this footer they poured yesterday, and I'm starting to lay this radius wall. So this wall is going to come all the way out around over there. I don't know how to do that on the end, so we're just going to leave it step down like I did on the first wall I did the other day. So we're just going to leave a step down thing over there. So right now I'm laying this first course through, and I'm going to drill the rebar once I get down to the end of that footer. So it's going pretty well already. It's only been here about an hour, I think, hour and a half. So it's going really smooth. Keep you updated. Second batch of mud here. Oh yeah. This whole first course got the rebar in, everything, and it is going pretty smooth. So I'd call that about halfway, because that takes the longest time to do the first course and the rebar. So the rest of this should fly. This curve looks really good on the camera. I like that. Very nice. Fine right there. Oh, got some water on there. All right, so I finished that wall out to there. That's probably a little over halfway through what we just did. So covered it with plastic. If you can see in the pool, it is starting to rain. So this might be it for the day. We're gonna see. We're gonna go get lunch, see what the weather looks like after lunch. But yeah, that wasn't bad for the morning. I think so. I think that was good. So we came back, and it is still raining a little bit. It says it's not going to be too bad. Like, this is bearable. It's not like I'm getting soaked or anything, but I think we're going to try it. Worst case scenario, I'm going to throw the mud down a couple holes. So we're going to mix up 2 bags of mortar, try to start laying these and see what happens. So we finished the curved wall up until this part of the footer. Somehow the rain went away, so they were wrong. Now it's a nice day. I'm sweating again. I don't know if you can see it, but different colors. Gross, right? That's been every day up here. It's been so sticky. But I think this wall turned out pretty good. Like, couldn't really ask for anything much better than that. I think it follows the thing really good. So this has been really cool. I don't get to do anything fancy like this too often. Tomorrow, I guess at some point this steps up a little bit around the tree. So I don't know if I gotta put 1 or 2 more courses out across there for a little bit of ways, but we'll see tomorrow. But that's it for the day. This is Jason's last day on the job for the week. So he's heading back to California, and not tomorrow, but the next day.
Sunday morning. Yeah.
Sunday morning. Right now it's Friday.
I'm ready for some California weather again.
That's so funny that, like, and you say, like, this is worse than California with the humidity.
Oh, this is horrible. I'm spoiled. I didn't know I was.
But, oh, surprise! I'm staying till Wednesday now. So, yeah, a couple more days up here. I was supposed to leave this afternoon and go home, but I'm gonna stay tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then go home Wednesday night. So yeah, a couple more days here. Gonna try and get some more of this job done. Hopefully we can get another concrete pour in there and just help Vic out and help him get this project rolling. So I'll see you tomorrow. All right, Saturday, and I'm out on the job working, and today was not that fun, so I didn't take any videos or nothing, because all I did was fill these cores up, or where the rebar was, filled them up with Quikrete, and yeah, so just that took a while to mix all these bags up in our little mixer all the way over there. I mixed up over half a pallet of Quikrete today. One, mixing it for in there. Second, we had to extend this form out. I guess something happened where we thought the wall was going to start here. It was actually supposed to tie into that one, so had to pour that, and then also we didn't get far enough this way, so I had to extend the footer out over here. So that's what I did today. Nothing special, nothing cool like these block walls, you know what I mean, like the curves. But yeah, it turned out good. It was a good day. Started around 8:30. It's 4:30, so about 8 hours. Nothing too crazy. We were working like 12s earlier in the week, but right now it was just an 8 normal work day, and that was it. So yeah, nothing fancy. But tomorrow, it's Sunday. I believe it's gonna rain all day, so I'm actually gonna have a chance to go out and about in like the Boston area. So see what we get into tomorrow.